This is holy ground. Hear me now. This is holy ground, my friend. This is holy ground. Hear me now. This is holy ground, my friend. So open your eyes, open your ears, till you understand the Lord is here. Open your eyes, open your ears, until you understand the Lord is here. This is holy ground. Hear me now, hear me now. Oh, this is holy ground, my friend. This is holy ground. Hear me now. My friend, open your eyes, open your ears, till you understand that the Lord. Open your eyes, open your ears. The Lord is here. 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 Oh, the Lord is here. So it's possible to be in the presence of God and you don't realize. Jacob said, I was in the very gate of heaven and I did not know it. So what makes a place become the gate of heaven is the consciousness in your soul. How does it become the gate of heaven? The Bible says, where 2 or 3 are gathered in my name, the gathering of the people in the name of God. The Lord is here. The Lord is here. The Lord is here. He's here. Yeah. The Lord is here. Oh, He's here. He's here. He's here. So open your eyes, open your ears, till you understand understand. The Lord is here. Open your eyes, open your ears, till you understand. The Lord is here. Who is there like you? No one above you. So I leave the earth to worship you. Who is there like you? There's no God above you. So I leave the earth to worship you. Who is there like you? No one above you. I leave the earth to worship you. Who is there like you? No one beside you. I leave the earth to worship you, 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 to worship, to worship, to worship, to worship, to worship you, God. Just to worship you, to worship you, to bring you praise, to worship you, to worship you, to worship you, to give you thanks, to give you praise, to adore you, just to worship you, to worship you, to worship you, to worship, to worship, to worship, to worship, to worship you, God. Who is there like you? No one above you. I leave the earth to worship you. Who is there like you? There's no God beside you. I leave the earth to worship you. I leave my pain to worship you. I leave my struggles to worship you. I leave my debts to worship you. I leave the earth to worship you. I leave my pain to worship you. I leave my worries to worship you. Who is there like you? No God beside you. Who is there like you? Oh Shaban Teleparia Feneka Selibaba Baruku Fenekate Sili Brandu filina karibari afende sisili na mokuba Eronda filina mosunti babambro ferrante silina ka Chanteli grosse limaya Hello simena kamova Siminin kaleta Echana makamo Vinano selina makabela tai How can you walk when you don't know the way of the way? How can you run when you don't know the way of the Spirit? How can you fly when you don't know the way of the wind? The power at work in you, walk in everything in obedience to Christ. How can you walk when you don't know the way of the way? How can you run when you don't know the way of the Spirit? How can you fly like eagles when you don't know the wind? The power at work in you.